Hey Internet, I got another video for you here today. This is a package I received from one of my subscribers, and I know I don't have very many subscribers, but this one sent me a package. I know what's inside. It's computer parts, but I don't know what computer parts are inside. And he told me that there's a surprise in the bottom. So we'll see what's inside. I haven't opened it yet, and we're gonna open it together here in a second. All right, after a very frustrating time opening this package, which was taped so much. You think you used enough tape? We're gonna open up and see what's inside. Alrighty, here we go. Oh, anti-static bag, some SATA cables, and a note. Hope you enjoy this stuff. There's a surprise in the bottom of the box. I couldn't get it to run faster than 2 gigahertz on all cores. It's updated to AM3 Plus. Ooh. All right. All right, we got some SATA cables here. I already have one of these blue ones. That's cool. And a motherboard. Let's see. Oh. Oh my goodness. Look at all this. It's a stock AMD cooler. Another very small stock AMD cooler. Actually, that's a lot smaller. Got some RAM sticks. Motherboard bracket. Some more RAM. Holy cow. Oh my gosh, look at this old RAM. We don't make this anymore. Wow. What else do we got in here? Oh man. Oh man. Oh, it's even got a Ryzen badge. Oh, you such a nerd, dude. Phenom 2X4. So this will be my second black edition that I have of the Phenom 2X4. 965. Man, that's awesome. Some more RAM. Wow, dude, you sent a lot of RAM. Holy cow. I'm gonna have to go through all this stuff for you guys just to see what it is. Some IO shields for the motherboards. That is rare to find, to get used motherboards with their IO shields. And some more RAM. Oh my gosh, more RAM. Look at this. Oh my dude, more RAM. Holy cow, there's so much RAM in here, guys. Random case bracket. Oh, more RAM. Dude, this stuff is so old. Holy cow. And we have, what's this? An FX 6300. Wow. Okay, so this is what he said couldn't get to run past 2 gigahertz. I'm guessing something on the motherboard maybe, or maybe something with the chip. What do we got? What kind of motherboard do we have here? Let's see. It's a 970A G45 from MSI. All right, so let's take a look at all this stuff here then. Let's see what we got. All right, going down the line here. These are this is a 1 megabyte 30-pin memory. I couldn't identify these chips on these, so I don't know what they are, but I'm gonna guess these are at least 1 meg here. These are 4 meg I didn't look those up yet. And then these are also, I think, 4 megs. And then this one is strange because these here are 4 meg modules. And then we've got Corsair 2 4 gig sticks at 1333. Then we've got 4 sticks of Corsair or G.Skill Ripjaw DDR3 1600. And then we've got 1 stick of DDR4 2400. We've got 2 very bad aluminum stock AMD coolers, 3 SATA cables. Then we have an MSI 785GM. So this is AM3 ready. So it's got probably a flash for AM3. And then we've got the MSI 970A, which he had told me he'd been having problems with getting the 6300 to go past 2 gigahertz. So I'll take a look at it, see what I can do. And then, of course, we've got the Phenom X4 965 Black Edition, and then the FX 6300 here. So I'm really glad the I/O shields. That makes me happy that the I/O shields are here. But yeah, that's the package. Thank you, my friend. You know who you are, and I will have many happy projects with the materials you send me. So that's it. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. What the hell am I going to do with 1 megabyte memory modules? Look at all this RAM.